Let's go to everyone. Wow, Hollow is down again. Are we surprised? Absolutely not. So we're gonna go over through the chart because anybody that knows my system, they know that the EMA 10 is going to take a couple rejections before we head to the EMA 20. And if you watch my previous videos, we need some more time before we hit the EMA 20. I'm seeing a lot of pumping on Hollow. Everyone's just like, Hollow's going to go up. Hollow's going to be because it's the massive gap. Yes, but it could do that massive gap at 50 cents, 40 cents, 30 cents. And, is it going to matter if it goes to like, $3 or $5, $10? No, but does it? But here's the thing, guys. We can't really say past results is going to indicate future results. We can't say, it's just going to keep on doing this and doing this and doing this. Because as you can see right in here, we had a reverse split, 1 for 10, and wrecked a lot of people, and then it did it. We could easily do another reverse split, and then just have a little pump, and then it keeps going down. No one truly knows. If that was really the case, I would put all my money in this, and I would just ride it out till the massive pump happens within, who knows how long, a month, 2, 3 months. But that's just not the case. But here's the thing we got to look for. We knew this was going to get rejected. I kept saying the EMA 10 is going to, hit a couple times. We hit it right here, we hit it right here, and we hit it right here. It needs a couple times before we head up to the next leg of the EMA 20. And until we get above that EMA 20, there is no uptrend. Nothing's going to happen, right? So what we want to do is we know the EMA 20 is going to be getting hit soon. It's at 6:04. It got hit. It's at 7:05. I mean, actually not soon. It could take another month. 2 months is really long for EMA 20 not being hit. So do keep that in mind. But I do think we're getting there. We're getting very close. Okay. So what do we want to do? Obviously, I tell everyone we only buy hollow under the EMA 5, which is like this setup here. We're under the EMA 5. We have a low K, which is like around 10-ish. That seems to be very low for hollow. When it was under 10, it had a massive pump right up in there. And if you guys don't know, I'm looking at that bottom indicator, the KDJ, this yellow line. As you can see, we have a 28.09. So yeah, I do want to see a little bit of time distance, like 1 or 2 days from the EMA 5. And yes, maybe I will start accumulating hollow for a massive pump. But as of now, I just feel like, these support levels are going to get broken as they just keep getting broken time and time again. And it's really hard to rely on these levels because as you can see, the market makers know this. They're going to just keep dishing it out and dishing it out, and people keep relying, this is going to be the massive pump. But you want to get a precise entry. It's okay if you want to hold a little till that happens, but do this strategy. I promise you guys will be a profitable trader, or at least you'll get very precise entries. So as for me and now, I want to wait for a low K on the KDJ. I want to be under the EMA 5, which is the purple band. I want to see 2 days under it of not touching it, just like this setup right in here, as I think we can get something like that. And maybe, we break a newer low. I don't know. Who's to say? But then I would be looking for this EMA 20, as this can very well get hit. But you guys realize, if it hits the EMA 20, it's really dangerous because, as you know, when we hit this EMA 20, like right in here, we go plummeting down. When we hit the EMA 20 right here, we go plummeting down. So do what the chart suggests. And let's also look at the trend channel here. Look at the high and look at the low. Right here's the high. Right here, we're on an upper trend. So is anyone confused of why hollow's going down? I don't think anyone should be confused. We hit the EMA 10. We're at an upper trend. Right in here, we were at a lower trend. We were bound to get a correction up. So it makes sense to buy there, right? It makes sense to be like, hey, maybe I should wait. Maybe I should wait for a nice setup. Yes, it doesn't have to hit the bottom trend all the time. It could go like this and start pumping and get close to it. But as we can see, I do see a newer leg going down. Call me crazy. A lot of people don't want to hear it. But yes, everyone wants to hear hollow to the moon. It's going to get pumped. But why? Why is hollow going to get pumped? All because of past results? Yes, I think it can get pumped to this EMA 20. But other than that, there's really not much range to that. It's at 1.12. The price is 86 cents. It's decent gain. It's not enough for the downside. If I was going to take a position, I would at least need to see we're at this middle trend line and a little bit lower or at the bottom. And also, my main thing is we need to be away from the EMA 5. We don't have a very low K. It's 27.38. So everyone that's pumping this, they can just go hold their bags and wait for 5 months or whatever, how long they want to wait, because I'm tired of people losing money. For people in my Discord, this is my thing. We're waiting for setups like this. If you see this setup, draw the trend at the highest, the most recent high, look for time distance of the EMA 20, look for price under the EMA 5, and you take your gains, and you'll be much more profitable than the pumpers and the bag holders that hold this thing forever. That's the way to trade, guys. If you guys want to hold for the miraculous pump, that is totally okay, but do keep in mind past results don't indicate future results. This could easily reverse split and keep going down, and it could be a nightmare to hold. So I always say take the 10 to 20% gains, and here and there they give you way more. This pump right here alone gave you well above 20%, and it was up into the 40% zone. So, and that's all that really matters, guys, is being consistently profitable. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. This is my analysis on HOLO. I love the volume. I love that it can really easily pump. I think it's a good candidate, but it's just not setting up right now. I loved HOLO when I made a video over here. This was a nice thing. I loved HOLO when I made a video over here, and it's made 2 decent pumps. I loved HOLO when I made a video here as we had time distance away from the EMA 5, and as you can see, when you're getting away from that EMA 5 and you have massive time distance not hitting this EMA 20, price tends to shoot up and it can go well over, and that's what I hope for the bulls here. But as you can see, it's just very risky to buy it at these upper trends and not waiting below the EMA 5 and not getting a low K. So that's my analysis on HOLO. I'll keep you guys updated when I see a nice setup. It's down 9%. Could it go up? Absolutely. So, but as for me, I'm sitting on the sidelines, and I'll let you guys know in my Discord when I get in. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and see this system for yourself and learn how to fish for yourself and know how to use a system where you don't have to rely on my alerts and be confident in a trader, this is what this community is for. It's not about me just giving alerts and saying I'm buying HOLO at 80 cents and you just follow and you have no idea why. You have no understanding, and that's what will create you to lose. It's hard to follow alerts. It's more important on how to trade yourself, and that's what this Discord is about. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned, and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you do join, I'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe, read avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. And what you want to do is go ahead over to the server shop on the top left. I offer 2 services, the Swing Trading Plus and the Day in Swing Trading Plus. The Day in Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and you get access to all my channels, day trades and swing trades, more alerts, more knowledge, more education, and more opportunity to be successful. Because as a lot of times swing trading, you wait and you buy the dips and you sell the rips. That's the name of the game. The Day in Swing Trading, you're getting in, you're getting that momentum, and you're out within 10 to 20 minutes. And that's my goal, and you're making massive gains, 10 to 50% profit margin, and I'm looking at. So, yeah, that's Day in Swing Trading Plus. If you subscribe to it on your computer, it's cheaper than on your phone. It'll avoid the iOS fee. And I look to have you guys. Like I said, I'm here to prove the results. I have a nice win ratio. I have the RTK journal, which you can view right here to see all my active trades, wins and losses. And you get notified on your phone for the alerts, stocks I buy. And it's a great community, guys. I hope to see you guys in there. If you guys have anything about HOLO, put it in the comments. I read all your comments. If you like the video, give it a like. It helps the algorithm share it to other people. Less pumping, more realistic results, and how to properly trade is the name of the game. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out.